In today's video, we are going to show you how to get Waze up and running on Apple CarPlay. If you prefer real-time traffic updates, user-reported hazards, and smarter routing, this is definitely something you'll want to set up. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure that the CarPlay is connected or has been installed in your mobile device. And then, of course, you need to continue choosing your driving style. For example, I am choosing this one. Click the continue button. And of course, you want to make sure once it's installed, all I have to do now is hover down on the bottom part of the screen, because this is where you can connect your Apple CarPlay to the car's dashboard. And of course, for you to navigate, okay, make sure your car supports Apple CarPlay, because most newer vehicles do. If you are unsure, you need to check your car's manual or settings. Of course, remember again, it's prerequisite to have an iPhone running on iOS, since that's when Waze becomes available on CarPlay. Now, after setting up your CarPlay, the next thing that you need to do is open your Waze. Okay, once it's open, you need to start navigating. Enter a destination. Click the Start Driving so you can view real-time traffic updates, because everything is optimized for safe in-car use, so the interface is simple and easy to interact with. And basically, that's it. Now you have Waze running on Apple CarPlay. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.